to my channel. So today I'm going to be coming to you guys with my July 2019 favorites. I don't do favorites every month because sometimes if I do favorites every month, I feel like I'm just trying to find things to include in the video instead of, you know, living and then actually having something to put in the video that's easily to put in a video. I have everything written down in my planner. I do have a planner channel. I wanted to mention that. It's called Hearts in the Plan. I started it in March. I have an Instagram planner page called Hearts in the Plan as well. I'm growing pretty rapidly on there. On YouTube it's kind of slow over there, but that's because I don't have as much time to dedicate to the channel as I do on Instagram. It's a lot easier for me to post on my Instagram page, so definitely follow me on both. I create different spreads in my planner and decorate them and make them look all pretty and stuff. That has been one of my favorite things of the year. Like this time last year I was using a planner, but it wasn't decorative planning. And because I spend so much time decorating my planners and buying all this stuff for it, it's like I'm better at keeping up with things because I want to honor my planner and all that stuff. So yeah, check me out over there. So I'm going to be looking in my planner to read off all of my favorites. Okay, the first thing I want to mention is a makeup product, and it is the Juvia's Place concealer. And the one that I use like every single day or every time I do my makeup is the shade J13. I use that as my under eye highlight, and you know, on the bridge of my nose, my chin, under my nose, and on my forehead. It's just so creamy. I like the applicator, that doe foot applicator. I've been using it since the end of June, so I used it all of July and I really enjoy it. Now I know it's controversy with Juvia's Place and everything like that with the owner, but before she said all that stuff, I had bought my stuff and I was like, I'm not returning it. Now she was wrong for how she, you know, put Jackie Aina on blast and all that stuff, but I still like their products and I'm probably still gonna use that concealer. I think it's really good. I'm almost done with that concealer, like already. So I think I'm gonna probably repurchase it. Now as far as the foundation, I have lived with a foundation and I have to say, I have 3 of them and I don't have a shade that I feel works for me. And I've tried 3 different ones. I just feel like they all read a little bit too yellow or too orange. The shades that I've tried, I don't like them. Now in my initial review, I did like how everything came out, but when you live with something a little bit more, you start to see the flaws in it. Great coverage, but I couldn't find a shade that was like my perfect shade. But I do like the concealers a lot. Next thing is these pair of shorts that I got from Rainbow. So I went to the beach at the beginning of July with my friend Brian and his wife Ursula. Me and Adrian did, and I was looking for shorts. Now since I've gained weight and stuff, I was like, even when I was skinnier, like I was insecure about my legs, and so when I gained weight I was like, I'm definitely not wearing shorts. But I tried some shorts on and I was like, I look good in these shorts. So I bought some shorts from Rainbow in this black, and they had like this white pattern on them, and I wore it with a black bodysuit, and that outfit was cute. It looks really good on me. They were probably like $7. And that's the cool thing about summer clothes and shopping at Rainbow. It's so inexpensive. So I can get like, you know, 3 or 4 pair of shorts for like, you know, under $30. And I don't feel bad because I didn't spend so much money on it. So I love those shorts. I bought them at the beginning of July and I legit have worn them probably 4 or 5 times. Of course I washed them, but I legit probably wore those shorts like 4 or 5 times. And I'm gonna have a shorts haul for you guys soon. And I'm gonna have a jeans haul. I have some more haul videos coming for you guys. You know, be on the lookout for those. Okay, the next one is this recipe that my sister put me on to. I think she found it on Pinterest, but it's called the melt in your mouth chicken. Adrian, if you guys don't know, my husband Adrian, he is a very picky eater, but since we've gotten married, he's become more adventurous and he likes to cook a lot. I am somebody that doesn't really like to cook, but I'm starting to try to cook more. So this particular recipe is so easy and so good, I'm telling y'all. But if you got like digestive problems, and if you have digestive problems, I probably wouldn't like eat it every day because you might get backed up. But it's so easy and it's so good. It's just you take a chicken breast and you mix together in a separate bowl Parmesan cheese, sour cream, garlic powder, seasoned salt, and black pepper, and that's the sauce. And then you spread that over the top, sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top, and then you put it in the oven for like 30 minutes. Oh, it is so freaking good. If you're looking for an easy recipe, definitely check the melt in your mouth chicken out. And we had it with like roasted potatoes, and then we had some leftover mixture and we put that on top of the potatoes. It was so good. So if you're looking for a recipe, check that one out. So I wanted to include something else that's food related because I love food, which is the Olive Garden like signature dressing. It's kind of like an Italian dressing. Now they sell it at Publix, and I'm a big salad eater. Like, they're not like super healthy salads, they have like everything on it, but that salad dressing is so good. That's like my favorite. I had that a lot this month. I would go to like the Publix area where they have like pre-made salads, and I would get that dressing and that would be lunch. Or I would take some of that pre-made salad and put it on the side for dinner and put that dressing on top, and it's just really, really good. So if you haven't tried that, I don't actually eat at the Olive Garden restaurant much at all. I've only been like twice in my life, I think. 2 or 3 times in my whole life. But that dressing, once it goes out, like once I'm out in the kitchen, like I immediately have to go and get some more. It's that good. I want to mention my lashes. Now you guys know, people that watch my channel, I love bold face makeup lashes, but I was running out of them because I've been careless. I don't know if anybody else is like this. Like sometimes I just leave my lashes everywhere and they'll get stuck to stuff and they'll just disappear. So a lot of my lashes have disappeared and I need to re-up. So I was looking in my stash, and last summer I fell in love with her lashes because they were only $5 and they had the drama I was looking for. And so I pulled out these lashes at the end of July, and they're called Crowd Pleaser, and they're from Her Lashes, and they are so beautiful. I have them on right now. They are dramatic, but they're not too dramatic. They have like a nice sultry look. Like the look that I have on now is a brown smoky eye, and it just complements the eye look. So it punches the eye look up a little bit, and I think it's just a really good pair of lashes. Now I haven't bought any of their lashes in a while, like probably towards the end of last year. So I don't know if their lashes are still $5. I hope they are, because I'm probably gonna buy some more of the Crowd Pleaser lashes. But they can't be too expensive, even if they hike the price up a little bit. And something else that I started to like at the end of July is I've been over the years, like in 2014, 2015, I was heavy into matte lipsticks, and that was the vibe everybody was on, was matte lipsticks. And I still do love matte lipsticks, especially when I'm eating and stuff and I don't want to have to reapply gloss. But I have fallen in love with new gloss again, and I'm going to tell you guys a few of my favorites. First of all, I don't like to spend a lot of money on lip products because I feel like, golly, I mean, I don't know, certain makeup items I just don't like spending a lot of money on. But I went and got the Too Faced Papa Don't Peach lip gloss. First of all, the formula feels really good. It's not a sticky gloss, because I do have like some cheaper glosses and it just feels bad on the lips. It's just sticky, but it applies so beautifully. It's a really nice shade. It's like My Lips but better kind of a gloss. It smells really, really good. I think it's like 20. I'll put the price in the description box or on the screen. It's like $20, which is, to me, that's a little bit high for lip gloss, but you know, Too Faced is like a mid-range kind of, it's like a higher end, mid-range to higher end kind of brand, so you should expect to pay those kind of prices. But I really like that gloss, and I went back to the NYX Butter Glosses. They are so good. They have really nice shades for, you know, women of color looking for their perfect nude. So there's 3 of them that I have been using. So today I have on Madeline, and then on top of that I have Fortune Cookie. So this one is Fortune Cookie, so you're gonna get like a nice lighter pink. Ooh. So this is what Fortune Cookie looks like. So that's a really nice gloss to put on top of like a nude that's closer to your lip color to give it some contrast. And then here's Madeline here. There's Madeline, so it's a nice darker brown. So if you're looking for some nice nude glosses, check out, you know, NYX Butter Gloss. That's not new at all, but it's just like a nice staple lip gloss to have, like that collection. And then if you're willing to spend a little bit more, check out the Too Faced, I think it's called the Sweet Peach lip gloss line. They have a lot of different shades in there, and I think they're really nice. So that was everything for my July 2019 favorites. Yeah, tell me what items. I don't think I had any wig. Yeah, I didn't have any wig favorites this month, because really a lot of the times I was wearing a head wrap with no wig, or I was wearing my Isioma braided wig, but I've included that in a favorites video like several times this year. That's one of my favorite wigs. It really is, but I'm not gonna put that in this video. But tell me down below what you guys think about my favorites. Are any of these favorites yours too? Are there any of the products that you're gonna try on your own from watching this video? Let me know that down below. If you are new here, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.